guys, and welcome back to another Science Minutes with Mid-America Science Museum. Today it's all about EEK. Now, what is EEK, you ask? EEK stands for Engineering Engagement Kits, and they're brought to us by our friends at Boston University. Boston University has a research team called CellMet Research, and in that research, they are bringing together engineers, doctors, and all other types of scientists to fix broken hearts. No, really, they're coming together and they're taking cell research to form heart cells to turn into heart patches to fix broken hearts. Now, it's a huge task and a huge challenge that could totally revolutionize medicine. And what they're wanting to do at Boston University is get the word out to people that one, anybody can be and is an engineer, and two, that this research is difficult, but it's important. So that's how they've created these kits. Now, the activity we're going to do today is called Cell Post, and I've got it right here. This is the activity that they created. These are my cell posts. Now, you might be asking, what do wooden dowels and a piece of paper have anything to do with heart research? Well, I'll tell you. In the heart research where they are taking these stem cells and turning them into heart cells and heart muscle, they have to do that on a very small level. So, see my little cube box here? Imagine this even smaller. We're talking nano. 3D printed little boxes where hearts are going in, heart cells, and they have to work out, right? Because a heart is a muscle, and those muscle cells have to work out. They have to get stronger in order to be put into the human body. So, what we are doing today is we are working out our heart cells. I have an example of what those heart cells look like right here. It's the same thing that's playing on the video beside me. It's that exercise of those heart cells. And in between the post are the example of that cube where it's getting set up in order to work out the cells. Now, what I've been tasked to do is to work this out. And I do that by creating a structure that allows it to bend and reach the base of the cell post. Now, what just happened? My heart cell ripped, so it wasn't able to mature. So I would have to start over and figure out a different way to get this to mature. And that's what we want you to do at home. Now, you probably don't have those wooden dowels at your house in order to do cell post, but you probably have things like cups or bottles or toilet paper rolls, anything that you can think of to create that structure to build your heart cell with. Now, a few other things that you'll need. We've got rubber bands, pipe cleaners, a hole punch, and some paper clips. Now, you can really use any materials you have at home, but these are just the ones that we suggest in order to get this heart to flex. On your paper, you can just do a simple piece of paper, but we like to put the cell on there just to work it out so you can see what you're doing. Now, the goal is to connect them to the post and to get them to touch the base. So think about how you might do that at home. What could you use to connect to the post and the paper in order to get it to flex? The goal is to get it to work out, to flex that muscle 5 times. We're talking all the way from the top to the bottom, 5 times, 5 good heartbeats. Okay? And if you can do that, you've created a mature heart cell. Congratulations, right? Now, if only the research was really that easy. But that's why we need you. We need your engineering skills, your creativity, and your desire to help other people to increase the research and to get stem cell research out there in order to heal the broken hearts. Now, we want to see you try this challenge at home, see what you can do, and how many times you can get that heart to beat. We'll see you next time on another Science Minutes.